Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Arms Race Mobile coming at you with uh basically a look into Pokemon Duel. So this was recommended to me first by Adam Drone. You know him, my boy Adam Drone, and another friend of mine. He's not on YouTube, but like he just recommended I play this game. So here I am now. I decided to record this. I had already gotten into it a little bit. I have some insight on how to play this game. It's Pokemon Duel. You can just go look it up on Play Store. It recently just got updated. I would have recorded some later on today, but had to maintenance, and I had to update it and said, yeah, all that bullshit. That aside, we're going to be waiting here for it to load. God damn, that's loud as shit. God damn, that's loud as shit. You can damn. Hurry up, need the settings. Alright. I probably should have recorded it. Should have started recording. I probably should have recorded after the whole shit was loaded and Jesus Christ. Hey, you're not Luca. I like you better than Luca, that nigga. I like you better than that nigga. Better. The booster right now, but alright. Let's do this right off the bat. This is good. We're gonna do a booster. Let's do this. Yes. What we got? I don't know what it sounds like, good or like great. I don't know. Ooh! Ooh, this is good. God damn it. Wait, hold on. Let me go to settings. Damn it. So as you can see, I'm still in the tutorial phase. Just waiting for it to give me some time to let me change the damn settings. See, yeah, my name right here, my character model right here. I don't actually look like this in real life, but you know, yeah. Just figure that you just earned. You can practice dueling techniques. Is there something you don't understand in the rules? Yup. If you want to see more, yup. This side, you can be seen. Wait, what? Can be seen from the forward screen. Yup. You want to do it again? Yup. Yup. Wait, no. I don't know if I should start doing this, but I will. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe. More content. As I can, most likely daily content. But if I'm not feeling well, I might not like upload that. I mean, I probably will upload even if I'm sick. Piss off, faggot. I don't even like you. Alright. Hurry up to max so I can get to the settings. Okay, why did you choose me? I prefer you than that. Alright, sweet. Okay. Shit, settings. This is way fucking loud. There we go. There we go. Now you can hear me clearly. So let's go to my deck. Let's switch up a few things real fast. Now you can set evolutions for your Pokemon, so I'll explain a little about evolution. Damn it! Get evolutions from your edit figure screen. Let's go. Choose a deck. Oh, this. Okay. Only certain figures can evolve. You cannot select an evolved Pokemon that is already set. Evolve one in about if you knock out or moving in. If it evolves, attacks with 10 or more damage gain plus 10 damage. In purple, if you evolve one, the unevolved form will not gain experience from the duel. Okay. Helpful tips, even though I don't remember anything. Yeah. Nope. Deck. Wait, let me go back. Shit. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Shit. I'm still like beyond new to this. Charmander, my main man, my son. Titties. Edit deck, I think, right? Guess not. Well, whatever. You need to dip. I don't want you or you. You ugly. Y'all both ugly as shit. How do I do this? Edit deck, right? No? Shit. Nigga, damn. I don't want you. You ugly. Shit, man. Edit figures. Good. That nigga had me, man. That nigga had me messed up, boy. I was thinking some next shit. That asshole. I'm gonna replace your bum ass too, nigga. Just wait. I mean, now let me get into some gameplay, some actual gameplay. Hello? Hello? Oh. You look pretty. I like you. But let's go. First match. Yeah, this might span a bit over 10 minutes. So yeah, whatever. You become unable. Okay. You become unable to take action being engaged in battle, being tagged by an allied Pokemon, or using place to remove this. Okay. Oh, the party is connected. I'm finding an actual person. Really? That's cool. That's cool. That's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Oh god. Ah shit, he's first. Look at this, guys. Damn it. Alright, let's do this. You begin. Alright, then you go there. Look at that shit. You get over here. Alright. So let me just give me a moment real fast, guys. Give me a moment real fast. Alright, you back on? Alright, okay, good. So sorry about that, guys. I just had to deal with something real fast. Ah, shit. Let's do this. Yeah. Ha, you got a miss, faggot. It's over with. It's over with. You done. I could dead occupy your whole ship right now. I don't even gotta try. Lucky piece of shit. Damn it. Go right there, shall we? Your move, fam. And this is where my son Pikachu comes into play, because he has to go either way, fam. Fighting your bum ass. Yes, you missed. It's over, done. There we go. So for those of you who don't know how to, for those of you who don't know the controls of this game, basically, yeah, I just won. Basically, you have all these these little figures. So what you gotta do, you were set up with 6 different figures. With the And with these 6 figures, you go into different duels. Basically, it's called Pokemon Duel. You go into different duels with an opponent, and your main goal is to get at least one Pokemon statue, over on your opponent's side, like on your opponent's goal, basically. Is that shiny thing, the thing that my Squirtle landed on and I won, like that. Yeah, you gotta land it on that. Once you do that, you win. So now this basically is it's a random numbers game. So you gotta spin, you gotta spin your luck, you gotta test your luck, gotta spin, gotta hope you get lucky. And you see me, I got lucky. I got lucky. So you can increase the chances of your luck by increasing all the attacks and decreasing the likeliness of a miss. And yeah, you do all that. You could also go to shop. Summon some guys. Yeah, just like I did at the beginning. You summon some guys. Material exchange, plate shop. Yeah, the plates, the cards. Man, this is hard to explain. I don't like explaining games, guys. I don't like doing that. It's ugh. Ooh. Start that unlock immediately. Damn, that shit gonna take a whole hour. But yeah, so let me go into another game. Let me do this real fast. Go into another game so I can show you. I'm gonna do these login bonuses when I'm on my own time. Let me take this. So while I'm playing, I'm gonna explain it. I'm gonna explain it to you guys while I'm playing. How does that? Wait, what was that? Ooh, spin. What'd I get? I got that? Okay. I'm content with that. Let's go back. Go into another match and explain it then. And explain it there. So this might be a little... Oh, it's definitely gonna be over 10 minutes. And yeah. So yeah, see, there you go. See that shit right there. Just make of it what you will. Hey, I'm first. Yeah. I'm facing Pat. Oh, he got a good guy. I like. I want to. He got a good guy. I like him. So yeah, basically all you gotta do, you gotta tap the guy you want to move. So you tap him, you move to the square. That's simple. It's turn-based game. So those of you who love the little turn-based games, y'all can try it. I don't think you messing around with me, fam. I ain't playing no games. Yes, I will fight you. Step back. So you're basically just trying to do that, get it there, and then once you get it there, you just win automatically like that. It's that simple. You guys can go search up the game yourselves on Google Play and Apple Store. Y'all go do that. Y'all go do that on your own time. Y'all go do that yourselves. And there's gonna be a tutorial right there. Just that simple. So I don't like explaining things, guys. I just don't like that. It's just too much work for me. It's difficult. Now let me open at least 2 messages. Take. So I open a few of these, but I'm open all of them. Today I'm gonna upload 3 videos, so 3 videos will come out today. So I'm gonna just upload those 3. So yeah, let me open this guy. Open this guy so I can hurry up and open that guy. Open up, fam. Wow, what a waste of time that was. That's gonna be a whole day. You bugging the boy. Start unlock. That's some bullshit. So that's it. Let's look into this. So if you guys want me to continue playing this, just like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll make this a series on the channel. Peace. This has been